rains and rivers. Life on the earth is very crucially dependent upon water. 70% of the earth's surface is covered with water. We have different seasons in a year: summer, rainy and winter. The process in which the liquid water is converted into water vapor is called evaporation. The process in which snow, ice get directly converted into vapor is called sublimation. A considerable proportion of water vapor is released into atmosphere by planets through a process called transpiration. Warm-blooded animals and human beings release water vapor through exhalation. When water vapor rises with hot air and reaches high up in the sky, it gets cooled and transformed into tiny water droplets. These droplets gather around minute dust or smoke particles in the air and gradually increase in size. These small drops of water gather to form the clouds. Perspiration. Different forms of condensation of water vapor is known as perspiration. This may take place in the form of dew, fog, rain, snow, hail, etc. Humidity. The amount of invisible water vapor present in the atmosphere is known as humidity. When temperature and humidity are high, we feel uncomfortable. We perspire and sweat does not evaporate quickly. We feel sticky and such weather is called sultry. Southwest monsoon. An immense low-pressure system develops on the land surface during the summer, which drawn air from relatively high-pressure system on the adjoining seas, leading into the inblowing of southwest monsoon. Northeast monsoon. This time low-pressure system develops in the sea, which drawn air from the lands, particularly blowing from northeast, and therefore they are called the northeast monsoons or retiring monsoons. Rainfalls. Depending upon the mode of occurrence, rainfall is classified into three types: conventional rainfalls, the orographic rainfalls, cyclonic rainfall. Conventional rainfall. In the tropical region, where the temperatures are always high, the Earth's surface due to the insolation becomes hot. Where the temperature is below its dew point, condensation takes place, resulting in either a heavy rainfall or a hailstorm. Rain with the association with thunder and lightning is called conventional type of rainfall. Rainfall usually occurs during the afternoons or early parts of the night.
Evaporation is the process by which water from rivers, lakes, and oceans changes from liquid to a gas, called water vapor. Condensation is the process by which a gas changes into liquid form. In this case, water vapors become water droplets again. When the clouds become full of water, the small water droplets join to become large drops of water, which fall down as rain. All the water that falls as rain on the land flows down towards the oceans. This includes streams, rivers, waterfalls, and is called surface runoff.
Orographic rainfall. Due to the differential heating and cooling of the land masses and water bodies, and also due to the prevailing planetary events, when highland barriers such as a hill, a mountain to an escarpment of a plateau obstructs the path of such moisture laden winds, and the wind raises up, giving heavy rainfall on the windward side of barrier. On the other side of it, the wind descends and hence there would be no rainfall. It is called rain shadow region. Cyclonic rainfall. This type of rainfall is associated with the passage of a cyclone or a depression. There are two types of cyclones: tropical cyclone, temperature cyclone. Cyclones are known by different names in different areas of the world. Cyclones in Indian Ocean, typhoons in Western Pacific, hurricanes Gulf of Mexico, Caribbean in Willy, Australia. Rain gauge. An instrument by which rainfall is measured is known as rain gauge. The amount of rainfall for a unit area is measured in centimeter. When it rains, the water level in the gauge rises, measured with the scale in centimeters.